healthy, easy, quick. Just add your oats to the bowl. Okay, then you're gonna do 3/4 cup of ground flax seeds. Three-fourth cup of maple syrup. And then a cup of peanut butter. So I'm just gonna keep using this since I've already dirtied it. Mix that up. You can also add a little bit of milk if you want to help get it together, but don't do too much, obviously. So now with this consistency, we are basically at the point that they're good to form into balls, but I'm going to add chocolate chips to this really quick, and then we'll get to forming. So, like I said, you can use any chocolate chips that you want. Really add anything. So, don't mind adding too much. Baking sheet, and then just start forming into little balls. They are done. It took like less than 10 minutes to make. It made me about 20, depending on the size of the balls that you make. But healthy, easy, quick. I'm gonna pop these in the freezer just to cool them together for about an hour. But take 2 to 3 with you on the go, and they are so delicious. So let me know if you make them.